Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Thursday, the 1st of April. Happy April, happy Passover, happy Easter to everybody. This is our weekly recap. You want to learn more about me? Link is in the description below, smartoptiontrading.com. We have live alerts via Zoom, uh, live there. We're on Discord, and we have private Twitter feed. So log in, join us if you'd like. So let's talk about this week. So first of all, good riddance to March. Uh, this week was very nasty until yesterday when the market kind of changed character. On the S&P 500, we had a break of the downtrend last Friday. Then we had a couple of days of big chop. And then with the quarter ending yesterday, we finally saw a change in the action. And look at this. SPY right back. It just hit 400 just a couple minutes ago and at all-time highs. All right. There was much rejoicing. The QQQs also popping above the 50-day nice move, waking up. IWM woke up back as well, pushing up, and the VIX absolutely smashed down to 1781. This is a 52-week low as it heads back to pre-COVID levels. Does this mean the danger is over? This means the markets look better. They're acting better. We're seeing a change in the action. I didn't trade a ton this week, very judiciously this week as the action um, dictated. Green every day. Today was very small green. Only traded Facebook. Did not make much at all today because of just the action. If you look at the action today and you look what went on, it was very, very day of blah. You have names moving, and what I liked about today is the semis were strong, but there wasn't a lot of range, right? And that was the problem. There wasn't a lot of range today. What I really liked about today's action is the strength in the semis. SMH is popping up almost back to all-time highs. You look at what's going on out there. AMD has crossed back above the 200-day. If we can close over this, you have a W formation on the 5. Looks like it's getting ready to launch. Here's your midpoint at 84.70. NVIDIA crossed the 50-day on a gap up and held it in a nice pop up to here. You have other names like LRCX, very strong, all-time highs there. Qualcomm pushing up here. So nice day in the semis. What else was strong today? Some of the big tech names. Apple, not so much, very weak, can't go. But Amazon having a killer day, pushing back up here. Now it has to take out the 50-day sitting up here in the 31.75 area. Google is broken out here of this range and is threatening now to break loose. We have that on watch for next week. Even Netflix, which will be one of the first of the big names to report, is taking out this downtrend and is starting to curl up. So some nice action in these names. What's also going on here is bonds are firming up. You know, all this selling off in bonds that we've been linked to was a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now that the big rebalance by the pension funds is over, bonds are starting to bounce. So maybe bonds can bounce up and get going. Today was really a day about the financials, though. If you look at the financials, they bounced hard, strong going into earnings. They start on the 14th. Energy, very strong candle today. Not easy to trade it. You pulled, you hopped, you yanked and went low of the day, and then you pushed up here. But bottom line is these were leading most of the names in the markets today. These were the leading sectors out there, and strong move as we go higher. So where does this leave us going to next week? To me, the markets look fairly bullish here. Can we build upon this? We have a change in basically the action, and that's what we've been looking for is this action for the last couple of weeks, which has been putrid to change. And it looks like we're finally starting to get some of that. HYG holding in okay today. What's not so good today also is Tesla. Tesla not participating today. NIO had delivery numbers and they sold off on that. Same thing with XPEV. Both of these sold off on their delivery numbers. So still little problems there. Boeing also not strong today. Popped on the open and sold. Couldn't break that high, but holding the 8-day. So charts on Sunday. I'm wishing you guys a great long weekend. Rest up. I like the market action here a lot better than the last week, a couple weeks, and looking forward to next week with you all. Happy Easter, happy Passover, everybody. Have a great long weekend.